What if you could build your own FPS game without being a professional game developer? That's exactly what I set out to test. Using Claude, Blender, and Godot, I started building my own game from scratch. This is Monument Strike. I have always wanted to create a video game, but learning everything on your own can be overwhelming. Today, AI is changing that. Instead of spending hours searching forums and documentation, I use Claude as my coding assistant to speed up development and solve big problems along the way. Claude helped me write and debug the game's code, Blender was used to create and edit the 3D assets, and Godot brought everything together into a playable experience. Every feature was built step by step, from player movement and shooting mechanics to enemy AI, health, ammo, and the heads up display. It wasn't always smooth. There were plenty of bugs, but solving those challenges is part of building any game. This is the current version of Monument Strike. You can explore the map, battle enemy bots, manage your health and ammunition, and track your progress with a kill counter. It's still an early prototype, but seeing all these systems working together is incredibly rewarding. AI didn't build the game for me, it helped me build it faster and made the learning process much more enjoyable. This is only the beginning. My next update will include smarter enemy AI, more weapons, improved graphics, better animations, larger maps, and hopefully multiplayer in the future. If you would like to follow the journey as Monument Strike evolves from a simple prototype into a complete game, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what feature you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next devlog.